So, how to put your iPad on recovery mode? Hi guys, this is Tech Tips and I will show you in this video how to enter your iPad into recovery mode. So, you will need to go into recovery mode if you want to erase all data because you are selling your device or because you forgot your password and want to restore your device. Just be sure before you do that there is no iCloud account in the device and that Find My iPad or iPhone is off, in order to avoid having an iCloud activation lock when the device will be restored. So here we have an iPad 5th generation. This method works with all the iPad with a home button and the power button. As you can see, the power button and the home button. You have to know that there is a lot of ways to go into recovery mode. I will show you the easiest one. So first thing you need to do is to switch off your device like this. After, you will need a USB cable like this. So first thing you need to do is to plug the cable in your computer, and then you need to plug in the other side of the cable in your device and push the home button in the same time and keep holding the home button and don't let it go until your iPad shows the recovery screen. So let's do it together. I plug in and I'm pushing the home button in the same time. Keep holding it. And as you can see, 3 tools detected the iPad in recovery mode. And now we can restore our device and erase all data if you want. I hope the video was useful to you guys. If it's the case, don't forget to leave a comment and a like. Thank you, see you later.